Ever pondered over the differences between the PS5 Slim and the regular PS5? Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty that sets these two gaming powerhouses apart. Firstly, consider the size. The PS5 Slim, as the name suggests, has a more compact and lightweight design than its counterpart. It's about 30% smaller in volume, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space or a preference for a more streamlined look. Now, on to performance. Even though the PS5 Slim is smaller, don't be fooled into thinking it's less powerful. Both the Slim and the regular PS5 have the same internal capabilities. They offer stunning graphics and lightning-fast loading times that will keep you on the edge of your seat. It's as if they're saying size doesn't matter, it's how you use it that counts. Next up, storage capacity. The PS5 Slim comes with 1 terabyte of built-in space, a step up from the regular PS5's 825 gigabytes. That's more room for your favorite games, more space for those immersive worlds to unfold. And if that's not enough, both consoles support expandable storage, so you can build your own gaming universe without worrying about running out of space. Finally, let's talk about the price tag. The PS5 Slim with a disk drive comes with a price tag of $499, while the digital-only version is a steal at $449. Yes, it's a slight increase from the original digital-only console, but given the expanded storage and compact design, it's a small price to pay for a big upgrade. So, there you have it, the PS5 Slim and the regular PS5. Two titans of gaming, each with their own strengths. Whether you're looking for a sleek, space-saving design or a gaming powerhouse with room to grow, there's a PS5 out there that's perfect for you. Remember, in the world of gaming, it's not just about the console, it's about the journey it takes you on. So choose your console, grab your controller, and let's embark on the next gaming adventure together. Until next time, game on!